Well, subject to this video is a little different. I've made a Dutch hoe here. No, that's not someone you might see on a back street in Amsterdam. It's actually a type of garden implement. It's for weeding, basically. I don't want to actually do it because yeah, the paint's still drying, but basically you just get under and you shave them off. The blade is it's fairly sharp. I've ground both sides of it, so I'm not going to run my finger down it hard, put it that way. Anyways, it's like 6.5 inches wide there, and a standard rake is what I use. There's the remnants of the old one. It was I think a scrapyard rake, so I modified it there, and actually it's a stainless steel blade. I think 16 gauge, something I got from a friendly scrap bin. But yeah, it's not 100%. I've got to adjust the angle. It depends on the person's height that's using it. You know what angle it needs to be at to the horizontal. So, but I can do that just by changing the angle on it there. So anyway, they're quite the useful garden weeding implement if you like to use them. That way you can stand up and do it instead of bending down or kneeling and pulling the weeds out like my wife does. So anyway, so that's a garden Dutch hoe. You can I've seen them for like $85 online, but yeah, there was a fat chance I was going to spend that much. We actually had one until about 5 years ago, and I think it ended up at somebody else's house, so I didn't have it to use for an example for this, but this is pretty close to my recollection of what it was like. Anyway, just something different, other than the vortex generators and pod tail lights on my trailer there. So anyway, everybody take care, and enjoy the summer while it lasts.